Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Dynamic Link Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before starting the detailed Dynamic Link library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Dynamic Link Library, part of the Adobe Dynamic Link system. This library manages the localized data exchange between Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Media Encoder. If missing, the Dynamic Link menu will be grayed out, or the application will crash when attempting to import compositions, citing a module load failure. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Because Dynamic Link Library DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Dynamic Link Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Most individual downloads of Dynamic Link Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Dynamic Link Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Dynamic Link Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.